Hi friend, today I have showed you the how is the crank and where is the internal dealing of for passing the lube oil in the crank, and I have also showed you the picture and figures of the flow of the lube oil in the crankshaft and how is the crankshaft lube oil is going to. First we have start the engine. That time lube oil pump suck the lube oil and send to the directly through the filter, and after the filter oil filter I'll go to the main oil galley. From the main oil galley it is also block is also having the internal drilling, which drilling will be contact to the. I have also showed you the crankshaft. This is main journal is also having the drilling, and as well as begin somebody says to the connecting rod general, it is also having the drilling of the for the lube oil gallery, and main general to the begin it is also having one internal drilling to passes the lube oil from main general to the begin bearing, or somebody say to the general of the begin bearing. And this is the system for how to lube oil is flow in the crankshaft. When the crankshaft will be cleaning, all the gully will be clean just as a photograph. It is also main journal to the begin. It is also having a internal drilling for the lube oil passes from main journal to the begin, and from the begin this is the other photograph. It is also having the crank wave, crankshaft fillet radius, oil slim, oil gully is also there, main journal to the begin. This is the figure. This from the figure you have already cleared for all the system of the how to lube oil flow in the crankshaft from main oil gully to the lube oil. After that we have showed you the last picture for the how did the oil passes from oil sump to the main journal to the begin. This is the one is the suction pipe of the lube oil. It is also having one lube oil pump. It is from the lube oil pump oil goes to the main oil galley. This is the colored picture is in the system. Main oil galley to the it is also having drilling for the main journal, and main journal to the begin size where the lube oil passes to the internal drilling from the main journal to the begin. It is already casting. When the casting of the crank, that time this drilling will be already mentioned in the drilling also at the time of casting, and after that finish by the on the machine. If you like, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, colleagues and other technicians for taking the complete knowledge for the flow of the lube oil in the crankshaft, and from lube oil sump to the how is the flow the lube oil. Thank you.